Hi all. In this video, we are going to see motor efficiency. That is, what is the efficiency of the motor? So we are going to see. Generally, what is efficiency? That is, efficiency will be defined as the ratio between output power or any output divided by input. But here in motor, the efficiency is defined by a ratio between output divided by output plus losses. That is, what are the losses in between the input and output? In between the input and output, there will be some losses. That losses plus output will give the input power. That is two important attributes relating to efficiency of electricity used by AC induction motors or efficiency. That is, we have already seen there is a motor with the output of mechanical energy delivered at the rotating shaft to the electrical energy input at its terminal, that is, and power factor. The motors, like other inductive loads, are characterized by power factor less than 1. That is, the motors are RLE load, that is resistive, inductive, and battery, that is EMF, back EMF, that is called the RLE load. This kind of that is any load with inductive or capacitive effect will have some power factor effect, that is some low power factor effect. As a result, the total current needed to deliver the same real power is higher than for a low characteristics by a lower power factor. That is an important effect of operating with the power factor less than 1 is that resistance. That is, we in motor we are experiencing I square R losses. That is the losses due to resistance. It is otherwise called resistance loss in wiring upstream of the motor, which will be higher if it is higher, and which is proportional to the square of the, since it is proportional to the square of the current, which will cause some which will decreases the power factor, or which will cause some losses, and which is eventually it will results in efficiency decrease. Thus, both the high value of efficiency and power factor close to unity are desired for efficient overall operation in a plant. That is, high value of efficiency and power factor close to unity will have a better power plant or better system. That is a better motor operation. That is, we can experience the motors operating in an efficient manner. The efficiency is also function of motor temperature. That is, temperature is eventually comes under a resistance. That is, and the heat loss is due to resistance, which correspondingly results in some loss of efficiency. And a totally enclosed fan cooled, that is TEFC motors, are more efficient than screen protected drift proof motors. That is, the motor with some cooling technique or cooling system will experience some high efficiency than the motor with no cooling effect system. The efficiency of the motor is determined by intrinsic losses that can be reduced only by changes in motor design. That is, intrinsic losses like fixed loss or variable loss. That is, there are some losses in motors. That is, for example, in induction motor, the fixed loss is called as fixed loss and variable loss. While there is fixed loss is independent of the motor load, while variable losses are dependent on the load. Fixed losses, which consist of magnetic core loss and friction and vintage losses. That is, let us see what is magnetic core loss and friction and vintage loss. Magnetic core losses are called iron loss. That is, losses due to iron or core material present in the motor. It consists of electric current and eddy current and hysteresis losses in the stator. They vary with the core material and geometry and with the input voltage. while the friction and windage losses are caused by friction in the bearings of the motor, and the aerodynamics losses associated with the ventilation fan and other rotating parts. This is the fixed losses. Whereas in our variable losses, that is variable losses are due to I square R losses. That is, we have already seen the losses due to resistance as heat is called I square R losses, and it consists of resistance, that is resistance losses in the stator and rotor, and some stay losses. Resistance to current flow in the stator and rotor results in heat generation, that is increase in the I square R losses, which correspondingly decreases the, if the losses increases, the efficiency will get decreases. This is about motor efficiency. That is, we have seen motor efficiency before. In the last video we have seen power factor and motor characteristics. Next video we will see what is motor, what are the steps to select, that is selection process of motor. Thank you and subscribe to the channel.